One of the best ways to invest in real estate and make more money is what I'm about to show you now. Anywhere you are watching, there are several ways you can invest in real estate and make more money, but there's a key one that gives you more money better than you can imagine. Number one is agricultural real estate investment. Agricultural real estate investment is one of the best ways to start your real estate investment. Do you know the reason? Number one, it will reduce the risk of you losing money. You understand? It educates you, it informs you about how you are going to be invest in other real estate. And number two is that it's come affordable. It's very good for land banking. Very come affordable. You can acquire more property and hold it on. And when the area is now developed, it will help you to sell more. Just like one of my pastors said, he bought a particular size of land, 900 acres, at the rate of 150, 120, 150. And he was later now selling it for 120 million. Actually, I know the land. I visited the land. And he was using the land to cultivate rice there. So you also, when you buy agricultural land, it's always be the bush, and every bush will become a city. Every bush of today will become a city tomorrow. Every city of today was once a bush yesterday. So you buy in acres, you buy in hectares, you buy so many plots at affordable price, because when it's a city, you may not be able to afford it. So don't forget, as you are buying it for land banking, and at the same time you can be cultivating on it. Some companies also can help you to cultivate your land, maybe with planting, maybe palm tree, mango, fruit, pineapple, orange, cashew, so many things like that, rice, cassava. You'll be cultivating on it every year, you'll be making more money, while your land also will be appreciating in value, and you'll be making money in and out every year. And this will also help you to process your documents. We call it root to title. You can buy from the estate also. They can help you to process the document. You hold that land there. So when developments reach the place, you can sell at higher price. That is one of the best ways. And again, land bank also give you double return on investment. Don't forget that while you are cultivating, even some land, after 2, 3, 4, 5 years, you will have made the money that you used to buy the land if you are cultivating on it while your land is appreciating in value. So that is number one. Number two is buying off-plan property, especially from the developer that is trustable, that is trustworthy, with the fear of God. When some property are still under construction, in fact, it's one of the sweetest way to invest and one of the best time to invest in that you will make more money. I will share you 3 examples. I remember there is a property at Eleko. When that property was newly started, when they started the construction, the property was selling for 69 million naira. No, I think yes, 69 million naira. No, not 69 million. I'm sorry, 64 million naira. 64 million, everything, documentation, everything, 64 million naira. By the time the house completed, they were now selling it for 120 million. The house is selling, as I'm talking to you, for 120 million naira. And I know a particular project also in Lekki Phase 1, Lekki for sure. When it was started, it was 800 to 850 million, all the documentation, everything, 850 million naira. By the time it's finished now, by the time it was completed, it was now selling for 1.2 billion naira within the space of 1.5 years. I know another one also that was selling for 220 million naira then. By the time they finish it, it was now selling for 220 to 320, 100 million naira, 100 million naira. And people are buying. People were buying. I know the one of 340 concept when it was around 240, 230 in Lekki Phase 1 here there. So if you see any property at off plan in a very good location, anywhere you are watching, anywhere you are living, key into it, because it normally comes cheaper, affordable during the time that it's still under construction. But when it's complete, the developer can now sell at higher price. You also can sell at higher price. One of the sweetest way to invest in real estate. Don't forget, that is number 2. Then the number 3 is buy to flip. When you see a old house, you can buy a old house and renovate it and sell it. You make more money. And if you don't have the financial capital on your own alone, you can team up with some people. So they put their fund together. We call it buyback. They will use it to buy a house or land, they build it and sell it, and they share the money. Some also will buy a whole building in a city environment. They renovate it, they turn it to new house, and they sell. And all this is within 6 months or 1 year. You make more money in it. That is number 3. The number 4 is commercial real estate. Commercial real estate give more money. You know, shop. If you have shop, I'm telling you, you can never lack money. If you are still renting a house, your tenant can still be complaining. You may have issue with your tenant, but shop, you know, is the business. They don't want to lose their business. They don't want to lose shop. Before one even pack out, before there's a vacancy in any one shop, people will be lining up to queue for it. So if you want to look into other real estate, you can buy shops too. Also, you can also buy property that you can use for commercial, maybe to buy a shop or a complex. I remember there was a particular people. I know 2 friends. They bought one plot each. One bought the one that facing the road. The other bought one inside the estate. They bought it at the same price. So the one that bought the one that facing the estate built 4 units of 3-bedroom apartments on it. Then remember, he was renting it out for 5 million naira. Then, which is 20 million naira for the 4 units. But the other one that bought the one that facing the estate used to build a shop. He built a 30 units of shop space, and he was renting each one out for 2.7 million, excluding service charge. Now multiply 2.7 million times 30, because he make it like it's a 2-story building as well. Don't forget, sorry, a 2-story building. It's a 2-story building. Why this one also make his own is a story building. Even though he make it a 2-story building, that would be like 30 million. 5 million times 6, that would be like 30 million. But he make it 2-story building. But this one make it 2-story building, and it has a 30 unit. Now multiply 30 times 2.7 million, and people are begging to get the shop. Look at how you make the cool money. So you too also, you can think about commercial real estate. And don't forget that any commercial land also is always come at a higher price. So if you are thinking of going to real estate, this is one of the best way to go into real estate, because it's always paying me when some people say there's no money in real estate. Whether we believe it or not, whether we take it or leave it, real estate investment is one of the wealth creation opportunity that God gave to Nigeria because of our population. Because every day our population is increasing, and the numbers of people that need an accommodation, that need a property, is increasing every day. So it's only those who have it that can dictate the price in the market. And don't forget that the price of things are changing and increasing every time in Nigeria. So that is why you should think about real estate in order to secure your wealth, to create more wealth for yourself, and also to secure your future financially. So if you want to know more about real estate, please don't hesitate to follow this channel or subscribe to this channel, share it and like with family and friends. So God bless you. God bless Nigeria. My name is Tawedo, your real estate consultant here in Nigeria. So I will see you in my next video. God bless you.